go-tos.
All right, so now that we have it up to that knuckle, we can go ahead and get it on. And we're just gonna bring this up to a boil and then lower it to like a medium simmer, and then eventually we're just gonna turn off the heat completely and just let it steam the rest of the way. And we'll leave that about medium high heat right here. And this is the way it can come up to a nice boil. I'm gonna throw a lid on it, season it lightly. So with your rice, you just wanna season it lightly because you're gonna season it again towards the end of the process. I find that if you season it too heavy at the beginning, it's gonna concentrate as that water reduces down and it's gonna be way too salty. We don't want that. So we're gonna season a little bit here, season a little bit during, season a little bit after. It's all about building those layers of flavor throughout the cooking process. Pinch of kosher salt. Now that we have that lightly seasoned, we're just gonna add a lid to that. Let it come up to a boil. We're up to a boil now. Once we get there, I like to turn it down to a little simmer. And then we'll simmer it for a minute. Notice about that minute time is where the water almost will be overflowing. At that point, we'll turn it off and just put it on our back one just to steam away, and now steam in about 10-15 minutes or so. We won't have to do anything else to it. You can see that it's about 50% of the way done right now. At this point too, as I was saying, you want to continue kind of seasoning throughout the process. So I'm gonna lightly, another pinch of a little bit of kosher salt. Just add a little bit more, really light, seriously light. There's still some liquid in there and this is gonna reduce down. So here we're just gonna refluff that rice up. You can see those individual grains is still steaming, nice and perfectly cooked. So now that you know this technique, I need you to practice, practice, practice. And cooking should be fun, so just keep that in mind as you continue practicing.